guys, welcome back to Fibers. I have an interesting job coming up. I just received the best type of call that I can receive as a contractor, which is an emergency fiber repair. Someone dug up a line, broke it with an excavator. I'm not too sure of the exact details, but I'm actually en route to go fix it right now. It's about a 2-hour drive from my house, so there's the fun part in it. But yeah, I will see you guys when I get there. And okay, so we're over at the customer's house. The nib and the end point of the house connection is right there that I have to disconnect. We're going to pull the line back to that pole and replace it pretty much all the way up until where he is. That's where the break was, right in between there. He's exposing some more conduit so that I can install a flower pot and do a splice in there, and then hopefully get them back in service. It shouldn't be too hard. I'm here at the break side, and we're going to cut the pipe back to about there. We're going to put this bell end, attach it there, and then hopefully put a flower pot right there and do a splice. Okay, so we've gotten the pipe extended back to here. I used two 1 1/4 inch elbows just to get in the DB2 here. I don't have the proper sweeps, but I think this will serve for this purpose. I'm going to put into a flower pot and then splice it into a nib just so it's protected. But we're looking pretty good there. Bringing up the ground so the flower pot has something to sit on, and then yeah. Nice, 0 decibel loss. That's what we're looking for.
What's that?
So it was kind of like a mess to get that splice back in the flower pot there, but it's all good. We got a 0 decibel loss splice. Now I'm over at the house side, and I just did a mechanical end, and we're getting minus 17.69, which is well within range. The threshold is negative 24, so we're good to go. Just going to connect here, confirm service, and clean up. So there's the flower pot in place, the splice is inside. I used a piece of rebar to support it on this side, and this is all going to get backfilled. The grade is going to go up about 6 inches. So yeah, overall we're looking good. Just have to put a little bit of duct seal there, but we're looking good. Customer's building a shop here, a garage. Wow, look at this.
Chainsaw carved.
You did it?
No.
Oh. Whoa, look at this.
This one is.
Moose here. A bear. That is so cool. How much were these logs? What kind of wood is this?
Cedar.
Cedar?
Same as the house.
Wow, beautiful home too. Wow, this is cool. I like the wolf. How long did this take him? Did he do it on site?
Not. I bought it used.
Oh, okay.
But I bought up the shoe swaps. Some millionaire German had a house on the lake, and they built it just too close to the lake. They had to tear it down.
Wow, that's really cool.
Yeah, that is. There's babies in there. But
beautiful
they're
grandpa.
Pioneer log homes.
So I just completed that job. This may or may not be a throwaway video, but I didn't get to film much. The customer was with me the whole time, and I think he would have been fine with me filming, but I was just trying to get it done quick. You know, their internet was out, and I'm just trying to fix it. Don't want to mess around too much with making content, but yeah, overall I think it went pretty smoothly. The customer's really happy. The splice box itself kind of thing was a little MacGyvered. I really got to get more of those zebras. I'm talking to a supplier right now to be able to get me some of those zebra tubes where I can do the underground enclosures, because it's so funny. I had 1 or 2 of them in my truck for like the last 2 years. Not once have I ever used one. And then all of a sudden I go through both of those. I've been doing a ton of splices, so it's obviously I'm in need of some more. So yeah, I'm headed home. I have like a 2-hour drive home. It's a beautiful day. I might include a little time lapse of the drive home, because it's just absolutely stunning. Blue skies, a little bit of cloudy down there, but overall I'm really happy, and I got my money's worth. I'm really happy with the job, and yeah, just goes to show, you know, always make good appearances with customers, and it's always good to give them your contact info, because down the line they could use your help. And yeah, like if they had called the provider, it's likely it would have taken 1, 2, 3 weeks for them to come and fix it, and no one wants that, right, being out of internet for that long. But yeah, that being said, Fibre's out.